States tended to freeze quite readily, and some of the very harsh Korean winters meant that there were major problems with fuel systems freezing up on these Explorers, so many of them were hurriedly converted to petrol. Just want to think a moment there. Uneven bit of land, as you've just seen, poses absolutely no problem at all to a vehicle such as that. And of course the front axle able to pivot equally. Nice to see three post-war British vehicles all together in the arena. The one I've not talked about yet is the Bedford RL. So these came into service in around about 1949, based on the commercial S-type. A later post-Soviet edition, and that's followed by what looks like a Gaz 66, I think. That one's obviously. It's been traded to wherever it was required. And following that, we've got a Comdeck Gamma Goat, another very, very unusual vehicle. So these are lightly amphibious. You certainly wouldn't want to put to sea in one of these, but you can get across the river.
There is now seeing Sterling service out in Ukraine. This one driving that front drive socket. That's the tooth wheel at the front there. That's the only wheel on a track vehicle that's actually powered by the engine.